Hey loves, thanks for joining me on another adventure. Make sure you subscribe, share, like, and follow me. I arrived at the airport around 7:30 Saturday morning and my flight was supposed to leave at 8:30. As you can see, my flight was delayed an hour and we didn't actually leave until 9:30. This worked out in my favor because even though I had pre-checked, my bag was randomly selected to be searched. The key thing to remember when bringing a carry-on bag is that you have to limit your toiletries down to 3.4 ounces in one clear bag. My bag fit in the bag checker. I'm all ready for the flight. My flight was delayed for an hour, so I arrived an hour late at 11 instead of 10.
Get over here.
A passenger's weapon accidentally discharged at the Atlanta airport, causing panic and halting flights.
Oh, that's cool. Don't you know, girl? Don't you know, girl? I am the one for you. What do you see?
The circus. Nothing.
Ooh.
I'm standing. The circus.
Y'all having fun? Red. That's a big popcorn.
It's now can be shared if you promise to keep it. Naughty, nice. In 31. In 37. I got 2. Okay, do it again. It's gonna take forever. G49. Oh, I got G49.
G47.
I-18. I-18.
I have I-18. I don't. Nope.
I-28. I-28.
Nope. I-99.
That's what I'm talking about, right? Call them on.
So today I have a special guest. Tell him your name.
Reggie.
And what will you be doing for us today?
Telling one joke.
Okay, let's hear it.
So today, my mom went to the flea market, and so guess what the flea market is? We go there to buy fleas.
Reg. So tell us what your name is
Cameron,
and what will you be doing for us today?
joke.
All right, so tell
What
us.
did the sock say to the other sock?
What did the sock say to the other sock?
He's too wet.
So where are we going today?
I don't know.
You don't know?
No.
Well, I'm happy to hang out with you. Can't wait to see. Looks like we're going into the Heights Public Market. Let's see what's inside. Tell them your name.
Okay, what? The sheep. He's under the haystack, fast asleep. Will you wake him? He's right there. Okay. Jack and the beanstalk. Jack climbed down the beanstalk. He cried out, "Mother, mother, bring me an axe! Bring me an axe!" The mouse went up, climbed up the mouse ran up the clock. The clock struck 1, the mouse ran down, tickety, tickety, down.
He's going to get it. I think so.
gonna miss me?
Yep.
Red, you gonna miss me?
Kind of.
Hey, you gonna miss me?
Yeah.
I'm gonna miss you. I-70.
No, L. It's a R. No. Yeah, he doing it the wrong way. Do I do one or two?
Just go.
And the Jack and the Jack rapidly after him when he was nearly home.
Oh my god.
How did he reach it? I accidentally farted on him.
What?
Drink.
Oh, another drink, please.